Welcome to this video on advancing your career through SAP S/4HANA Finance Training in New York. We will explore how this powerful platform can help you grow professionally. The industry is shifting from legacy finance systems to a modern, real-time financial architecture. This transition replaces manual, fragmented processes with automated, accurate, and compliant operations. SAP Finance functions as the financial nervous system of an organization. By utilizing the Universal Journal, it records data, automates processes, generates reports, and ensures strict regulatory compliance. SAP serves as an integration engine, connecting financial accounting to other business operations like materials management, sales, distribution, production planning, and human capital management for total visibility. New York is a major hub for SAP adoption. With a high concentration of global financial institutions, corporations, and consulting firms, there is significant demand for SAP experts in this region. Whether you are a student, a certified accountant, or an IT professional looking to pivot your career, SAP training can bridge the gap between your current knowledge and high-demand ERP consulting roles. Our comprehensive curriculum covers core financial processes, strategic operations, and advanced S/4HANA innovations, ensuring you have a well-rounded skill set for the modern workplace. We focus on bridging theory and practice. Our training includes hands-on server access, real-world business cases, and expert-led instruction to prepare you for actual professional environments. Completing your SAP training opens doors to various high-demand career paths, including consulting roles in finance, systems analysis, and support, offering competitive growth opportunities across many sectors. Our career launch pipeline supports you at every stage, from initial preparation and building experience to interview refinement and direct placement assistance within our network. Success requires more than just technical knowledge. It is the synergy of technical mastery, understanding market demand, and receiving dedicated career support that creates a complete SAP professional. Modernize your financial expertise today. You can enroll in our in-person sessions or join our online instructor-led classes. Contact us to secure your place in the next cohort.